Cleanse and prepare the wound bed according to your facility's guidelines. Partially remove backing from dressing and position over the wound bed. Position the port end higher than the wound. Do not place port over the wound bed. Remove the remaining backing and smooth the dressing edges to secure to the peri-wound skin. Insert batteries as indicated in the battery compartment. Connect tubing from the port to the pump. Twist to secure the connection. Push the orange button to start application of negative pressure. Once started, the exudate will be absorbed by the dressing. As negative pressure is applied, the dressing will be drawn towards the wound to ensure intimate contact with the wound bed and effective exudate removal. The green OK light will flash regularly to show the system is on and working properly. Secondary retention strips are included to help ensure that the seal is maintained over the wear time of the dressing. Apply strips around all edges. If the amber light flashes, an air leak has been detected. Check the dressing seal, smoothing any creases. Push the orange button to restart therapy. The green OK light will flash as therapy is resumed. The innovative fluid handling properties of the PICO dressing eliminate the need for bulky canisters. Negative pressure is maintained across the dressing by the airlock layer. Exudate passes through the airlock and is held across the absorbent layer, constructed of superabsorbent crystals within the dressing fiber. The top high-moisture vapor transmission film evaporates moisture away from the dressing to ensure the dressing does not become wet and heavy. The film also provides a bacteria barrier and is waterproof. The pump has a 7-day lifespan, and the dressing may be worn up to 7 days, depending on exudate levels. To remove, simply lift the retention strips and dressing from the wound.